joystick outfit that you have?
Yes, we have вишиванки.
Nice.
Do you see us?
Yes, we can see you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And would you like to? We can introduce each other. So here is the third grader. Third graders. Say hello.
Hello. We have a dog.
Okay. And fourth grader. Yes. Fifth grade. Okay. And fifth grader. Fifth grade. Okay. So we have almost whole school here. And you are from one class?
No, we have from the 5th and the 6th classes. Two classes. Mm-hmm.
You have how many children?
How?
How many?
How many? Maybe 20. We have 20 pupils here.
Okay, because we cannot see you. Here are second graders, fifth graders, the whole group. Okay?
Can you see us?
Now yes, now better. Okay, so would you like us to sing our song? The dog song?
Yes. So we can sing together.
Okay. But do you have also the text that I love the dog?
We have no text, but we can try to sing. We tried to sing it a little.
Okay. Or if you want to tell, if your student wants to tell us something about the dogs, maybe?
Yes, we can say about our dogs.
Okay, so
Vika.
first you say
A dog Sam. I have a dream of a dog. It is a German Shepherd on a nickname Sam. It is a wool of the black-brown color, back of black color, and the ears tending upwards. It is very journey and cheerful. Sam very much.
I like Sam. I
like Sam very much to be played.
I like Sam very much. Nika, please.
I have dog. Its name is Buля. Breed Mops. She's 4 years old. I say it Bulik. Buля likes to eat porridge with bananas. Its favorite toy is a rubber chicken. Bulia keeps awake. When it sleeps, it strongly. It also loves to run. My dog is very funny and playful.
Настя.
My best friend is Albina. She has got dog. Dog's name Stitch. He's Chihuahua. Stitch likes eat marshmallow and butter. He likes
to play
at street.
in the street.
I have a dog. Its name Barsik.
Its name Barsik.
Its name Barsik. It like eat meat and
Bones. Where do you play with it? Where do you play? I play with it
I play with it
at home. At home, Vicky.
My dog's name is Rudy. It is red. It
Louder, Vicky. Громко.
Maybe come here closer. You need to say about that. Okay, so maybe now we can say something about thumbs up. I will help you. What is his name? And how old is he? And what do you like? But do you like to stroke him, to take care of him? And who else has got dogs here? You, okay, and you. Okay, and would you like to say about your dog? The breed? And how old is he? 10 years old, so we have also very old dog. Okay. And you love him? Do you love him? Okay, so they have almost, this girl has got her birthday almost the same day as they had after. One day before. Oh, okay. Well, and that's that. How old is it? She is 19? So old dog, 18 years old. Okay. And you can come over and speak now? Okay, so but speak loudly because they can hear you. Okay, so stand up. She likes to eat. Oh, so our dog also loves to eat, but do your dog eat marshmallows like one girl said? One girl said she likes to eat your dog like marshmallows, yes?
Yeah, marshmallows.
Okay, is anybody? Marshmallows is like yes, like the little parties and very sweet. No, but it's American, so we don't really he's 1 year old, so it's a little puppy. Oh, so almost 1.
Ваня.
Okay, but do you like your dog? Amelia, do you have a dog? No? Okay, Kanju, do you have a dog? No? And Carol. Carol, okay, good. So you see we have many boys and
Yes, we can see it.
girls, but also boys. Okay, Charlie. He is 1 year old, also very small, yes? Thank you. Then what do you like to do?
Видите, какие малюсенькие.
Roll up. Okay, nice, thank you. So our dogs, they like almost the same thing like
Mhm.
not marshmallows, but maybe we should try. They like to eat. Oh, and they speak up. Okay, so would you like us to sing together this song?
Yes. So I suggest you sing I Love the Dog and we sing about bingo.
Okay.
Could we?
Okay, thanks.
So at first we listen to
Agnieszka.